Very good morning, all of you. This is Chef Yogesh, and welcome all of you in the next session of our practical. Today we will be making one of the Indian soup preparation, that is Mulligatawny soup. As you know, Mulligatawny soup is the national soup of India. The soup was invented during the time of British rule in India. The origin of the soup is from Madras region. Currently it is Chennai. Mulligatawny is called pepper water. In Tamil, Milagai means pepper and Tanni means water, so roughly it means pepper water. But it is made, basically it is made up of lentils and flavored with spices. So here is the list of ingredients that I will be using. I will be using vegetable oil here, around 15 ml, green cardamom. In the whole spices, I will be using green cardamom, bay leaf, coriander seed and black peppercorn. I am using ginger here, chopped ginger around 5 gram, garlic also 5 gram, green chilies 2 numbers, onion I will be using 2 small number onions, 2 numbers finely chopped, apple I will be using diced apple here. In the garnish I will be using apples also. I will be using red lentil here, that is soaked and I have already boiled it. I will be using tomatoes chopped, curry powder I will be using, that will give a nice aroma to our soup. I will be using little bit of turmeric powder, salt, and here I will be using vegetable stock. And for the flavoring I will use coconut milk. For the garnish there is coriander leaves I will be using chopped and boiled rice. So this is the list of the ingredients. Now we will move to our kitchen and start with the practical. Okay, here we start with our practical. These are the ingredients that I will be using. I have already explained the ingredient that I will be using. Add around 2 tablespoons of oil here. Now here I will add all the whole spices. Once the oil gets heated up, I have bay leaf here, few cloves, green cardamom, some peppercorns, whole coriander seeds, let them to crackle. Now our whole spices starts crackling. Now add garlic around teaspoon, chopped ginger around teaspoon, green chilies according to your flavor, taste, you can add chilies. Now add chopped onions. Chopped tomatoes, let them to saute for 2 minutes. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric here, turmeric powder, half teaspoon of curry powder, here I will add a little bit of vegetable stock that I have already prepared, not too much, just a little bit. To avoid the spices get burnt. Now add the dal here, red lentil, that I have already soaked and then I have cooked it. Now I will add stock here, that is the vegetable stock. Later also we will adjust its consistency, just cook it for some time. Add little bit of salt here. Now I will remove these holy spices. Now it gets cooked, dal gets cooked well. Now I am going to blend it in a food processor to a smooth puree form, and then I am going to strain it, pass through a strainer, and then we will cook it again and adjust the seasoning of our soup. As I have blended it, now I have to pass it through a strainer so that all the lumps get removed and we get a soup of nice texture. Strain it nicely. Now I will put it back to the range. I will cook it for some more time and adjust its seasoning. Add some vegetable stock here. As the soup should have the consistency that is not too much thick, so we have to adjust the consistency of our soup here. Now adjust the seasoning, add little bit of pepper powder here. Now add little bit of coconut milk that will give it a nice coconut flavor. Now see the consistency, it is a good consistency for the soup. Now it's ready. I am going to plate it. Now for the garnish, I will put little bit of chopped coriander leaf here, some cooked rice, now pour the soup. Now put some diced apple into it that are already sauteed in butter. Some chopped coriander. Little bit of coconut milk. Now I have made this papad here, roasted papad, that we can put for garnish. Now our soup is ready. You can have it at your home. This is one of the healthy soup preparation, as it is made up of lentils, so it's high source. It is a good source of protein. So try to make it at your home and send us the pictures in our group. Thank you very much.